guys, I'm Steff. Welcome back to my beauty stash. Thank you all so much for being here today. I am really excited for all of this week and even into next week, all the videos that I have planned for you guys, because I'm going to be spotlighting, I'm going to be showing you guys some of the new indie makeup brands that have made their way into my beauty stash. So I was really motivated to start this indie makeup brand spotlight because of the girls, Ariel and Adley, the creators, the founders of Motivate the Earth. Motivate the Earth is a beauty news Instagram page. They also have a YouTube channel, which I will link both of their accounts in the description box down below. Guys, if you want to hear the latest and greatest news in the world of indie brand makeup and skincare, you definitely want to follow Motivate the Earth. They are posting constantly photos of new products that are coming out, new brands that you should know, and just ways that we can help support small business, not just here in the US, but all over the world. I am so thankful and so happy to have been inspired by these two young Latino women who are also here from Texas. Shout out to my Texas girls. Thank you, Ariel and Adley, so much for being a huge inspiration and for always posting great content. So guys, to kick off this indie brand makeup spotlight, I have, and it just arrived a couple hours ago, the new Glamlite Foodie box. This Foodie box, it's a surprise. I only know of a couple items that are in here, but this is one of those like mystery boxes from the brand Glamlite Cosmetics. Now, I'm sure some of you are already familiar with Glamlite Cosmetics from their infamous pizza palette. This was my very first purchase from Glamlite Cosmetics. And let me show you, look at this, guys. I mean, I wish I would have saved the packaging, but it came in an actual like pizza box. And I've used this on my channel once before, and I'll have that linked up above. But this is what the inside of the palette looks like. I mean, it's a legit pizza in here. So cute. There is a mirror up here at the top. They just really paid attention to all the details. And this is what kick-started the company. Their founder is Giselle Hernandez, a Dominican immigrant who loves pizza and parlayed that into her love for makeup as well. She created the pizza palette, which was an insane hit. And I am so happy that I get to continue supporting this indie brand of makeup. I see nothing but fabulous products coming out of this brand. I also, and let me grab it really quick, I also picked up the new Glamlite donut palette, and this was a separate shipment, but they both came in today. This one was a pre-order about a month ago, and I'm so happy that it arrived today. As you can see, I have not opened it. This is an eyeshadow palette. I do plan to film a video with this probably later today, although I am not going to show this in today's video. Today is going to be all about the new Foodie box, but this is what the palette looks like. It came in some really great packaging, and of course you have the shades that are on the back. Look at this, guys. Attention to details, quality packaging, amazing eyeshadows. This is one of the reasons why I love Glamlite Cosmetics. So guys, let's jump into the new Foodie Box Mexico edition from Glamlite Cosmetics. Now this Glamlite Foodie Box retails for $39. It is a limited edition. I do not believe it is available at the moment. However, all of the products that I'm going to show you, I believe are going to be available or are already available on the Glamlite website. But this is one of those mystery boxes where you just pay a flat rate and they promise to include 5 to 6 full-size items, and you really don't know what you're gonna get. They did do a sneak peek on some of the items, but some of the items are gonna be a complete shock to me. And all I've done, guys, is tear the tape that was right here. I haven't opened it up. I haven't looked in it, so I really don't know what I'm getting. I only have foundation and concealer and powder on, and of course my eyebrows, because again, I wasn't sure what I was gonna get, and I wanted to make sure I could try it out for you guys here on camera. So let's jump into this. Really cute. Let me open it up. Let's see what we got. Lots of bubble wrap to protect all of the products. Everything, guys, everything is, I'm just gonna pull all of this out, but They really packaged it really, really well. All right, so let me start first with the 2 items that are not included in this bubble wrap packaging. The first item in here is a lip gloss, and I don't know if I'm gonna pronounce this correctly. It is in Spanish. It is the Champurrado lip gloss. I think that's how you pronounce it. It is a traditional, like a Mexican coffee style of drink. It does contain a lot of cinnamon, and to be honest, guys, I live really close to the Mexican-US border, and I haven't heard of this. I don't think I've ever drank this before. This has, let's see, it says it's time to sweeten up your lips with the delicious aroma of authentic Mexican chocolate, sugarcane, and mouth-watering cinnamon. Inspired by one of the most popular and delicious Mexican drinks, our Champurrado lip gloss is the perfect warm nude color to complement any look. You'll stay delicioso every time you apply it. This sounds really, really good. Guys, I don't know about you, but I'm ready for fall. And I never say that because I don't like the cold weather. But somehow this year, I'm just ready to curl up, to cozy up, watch some Halloween movies, watch some Christmas movies, listen to some Christmas carols. I'm just ready for the holidays this year. So this looks really cute. Again, guys, packaging. Awesome, awesome. Let's open this up. Ooh, and this is what it looks like. Go ahead and swatch it for you guys. Or am I going to swatch this? I'll swatch it right here. Oh, this is pretty. And it doesn't smell. It doesn't have any scent to it whatsoever. But there it is, swatched. And there's just a small hint of sparkle to it. This next product is also another lip gloss, and this is the Agua Fresca lip gloss. And this one says, inspired by the savory and refreshing Mexican drink, Agua Fresca Lips is an ultra-dazzling pink gloss infused with the aroma of strawberry. Give your lips the refreshing treat they deserve. They sell a lot of these Agua Frescas, or they call them flavor waters, in my local grocery store and just in a lot of little restaurants here where I live. They are really, really good, and there's many different flavors in these Agua Frescas. So here they chose to spotlight strawberry. Let me open this up and show you guys what it looks like. And again, same type of packaging as the one I just showed you, but this of course is going to have a pink tint to it. And this one also has that like little sparkle to it. And you can see it right there. All right, so now let's open this other little bundle up. Now, one of the items that they did do a sneak peek on was the Street Taco eyeshadow palette. And guys, if you've never had Mexican street tacos before, and they're not just sold in Mexico, you can find them here in the US. Street tacos are amazing. They're really, really good. They're not the best for you, but they're small little tacos. They usually contain like fajita or ground beef or pork, whatever type of meat that you want. And they are usually topped with like a Mexican cheese, some grilled onions, some cilantro. You can even put a little bit of lime juice. Some might have beans, some might have rice, but they are small little tacos, and they usually come in an order of maybe 5 or 6. So as you'll see, guys, it is really, really well packaged. I mean, they pay attention to all the details over at Glam Light. This is the palette. And, oh my goodness, look at that. Look at how cute. And those are the gorgeous colors. All named after traditional Mexican street tacos, the toppings, and what you can get inside them. Really, really cute. Oh, I love this. This is so, so cute. I'm gonna be so hungry after I get done filming this video, but this was one of the main reasons why I wanted to get the Foodie box, because I didn't have this palette in my collection, and I'd seen it online. I've seen other YouTubers use it, and it looked really pretty on them, and I really wanted to have this in my collection. So the next item are some lashes, and these are the Margarita lashes, which I'm really excited to get lashes. I've never tried their lashes before, and seeing as how I have some new lash adhesive products, the Lily Lashes Power Liner and the Velour Lash and Go, I've been using those quite often, which means I've been using falsies more often. And I always had a lot of falsies, but I just got lazy. Like, I never wanted to use them. I never wanted to deal with the glue. But now that I have those products that make application really easy, I've been buying more falsies and I love wearing them. These look like a really, really pretty style and I can't wait to try them out for y'all in a minute. Next up is we got some taco lashes. Look at that. That is so cute, and these are gonna go match perfectly with the eyeshadow palette. And again, look at how well it's packaged, how well it's sealed. So these are the Street Taco lashes. Wow, those are some big lashes there. You all are really gonna see my eyes. I don't think I have any lashes that are this long in my stash. So wow, I don't even know. Let's see which one. Let me put them up here so you can compare. You can definitely see that these are more dramatic, I think. So the last item I have to show you guys is a highlighter, and this is called the Concha highlighter. And if you all don't know what a Concha is, well, we call them, at least in my family, we call them molletes. It is sweet bread, and it is one of the most delicious things that you could ever eat. It pairs really nicely with coffee, with a hot tea. A Mexican sweet bread, guys, it's addicting. You can't just have one piece, and there's all different kinds, but this one is really, really popular in Mexican culture, and especially in the area where I live. There it is swatched. Really nice pink highlighter. Guys, I'm really happy with everything that I see here in this box. And I'm really excited because I've only tried 2 products from Glam Light. I have the pizza palette and I have an eyeliner as well. So I'm really, really happy that I got to order this box. I'm happy that it's Mexican themed. So let's go ahead and start playing with these products. I can't wait to create a look with them. I'm so excited about the Street Taco palette. So if you want to see the look I create using the new Foodie Box Mexican edition from Glam Light Cosmetics, keep on watching. I have to say, there was not one thing that I didn't enjoy using. I will be honest, guys, these lashes are a little big for my personal taste. I mean, coming from somebody who doesn't wear false eyelashes that often, these are dramatic for me. These are a lot of lashes, but I know a lot of you out there, you live for a dramatic lash moment. And if that's the case, guys, these taco lashes from Glam Light, they're going to be something you want to pick up. They were easy to apply. I did trim them down and I did wiggle them around before I applied them. And I am using the Lily Lashes Power Liner. This is the eyeliner and lash adhesive in one. I think this eyeshadow palette is really, really cute. It's really, really nice. Like, I can totally see this making such an awesome little gift for somebody who loves makeup. Guys, this palette is just too cute for words. I love the theme. I mean, who doesn't like to eat tacos, right? And when we can incorporate food into makeup, like two of my favorite things, sign me up for that. The Concha highlighter was really, really pretty. I thought that this was going to be a little too dark for my fair to light skin tone, but as you can see, it just blended in really, really nicely. I really, really like it. I don't have a lot of these pink and purple highlighters in my collection, and this is definitely one of my favorite types of Mexican sweetbread. So another great product from Glam Light. Really like this one, and I like that it came with a mirror. Guys, the lip glosses are absolutely amazing. The one I have on right now is the, and I'm not pronouncing this right, I know, the Champurrado lip gloss, and you can tell that it has some great pigmentation to it. This is all I have on my lips, no liner or anything else, just this. It feels really nice. It feels really comfortable. I wish it had a flavor though. I wish I could taste something, but it's okay. I really think this is a pretty lip gloss, and it's definitely gonna go with a lot of different looks. And I wasn't able to use the Margarita lashes, but I know I'm gonna get some use out of them. I'll probably wear these when I do my video over the donut palette, which will probably be tomorrow. So I'm excited. I have some new products here. Oh, and the lip gloss, and I'll definitely incorporate these into this video that I do. So stay tuned for that, because all this week, guys, like I told you in the beginning, it's gonna be indie makeup brand 2 weeks, maybe even 3 weeks. We'll see. Not all the videos this week are gonna be indie brand, but the majority of them will. I'm actually going to be doing a review comparison over the new ABH and Benefit eyebrow markers, eyebrow pens that were recently released. And I think that order, it might already be in my mailbox. I probably need to go check that in a second, but I'm gonna be wear testing, reviewing that tomorrow. That video will either be up before the donut or right after. I'm not too sure yet on my schedule, but that will probably likely be the only non-indie brand makeup product video for this week. The rest are all going to be dedicated to spotlighting these amazing makeup brands that some of you may have never heard of, but they deserve a second look. They deserve the spotlight. So I'm so happy that I picked up this Foodie box from Glam Light. This is my first Foodie box from Glam Light, and I believe this is only the second one that they do. I think they did one last year, and then this is the one for this year. Guys, all of these products are available as a single purchase on the Glam Light website, and I will have them all linked in the description box down below in case you are interested in trying any of these out. Guys, I want to let you know that this is the small version of the taco palette. There is a larger version which has more shades in it, and that's just called the taco palette. This one is the street taco palette, and street tacos are, like I told you guys earlier, they are a lot smaller than regular tacos. So guys, what were your thoughts on these Glam Light products? Have you tried a Glam Light before? Maybe you're new to the brand. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Don't forget to tune in this week for Indie Makeup Brand Spotlight, where hopefully you can learn of some new makeup brands that are worth adding to your stash. You all have a great day or night where it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water. Cheers, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.